Today I am reviewing the HP Desktop Computer's Tower PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're in the market for a powerful desktop PC for home, business, or creative work, the HP Desktop Tower PC with Intel's 13th Gen Core, a 5-13500 processor, is an impressive choice. It combines high-end processing power, ample memory, fast storage, and modern connectivity to handle everything from professional workloads to everyday tasks with ease. At the heart of this desktop is the Intel Core i5-13500 processor, featuring 14 cores and 20 threads, with 6 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores. With a turbo frequency reaching up to 4.8 GHz, this CPU provides exceptional responsiveness whether you're running complex applications, handling multiple browser tabs, or streaming content while working on productivity tasks. The combination of P cores and E cores ensures a balance between raw performance and energy efficiency, giving you a smooth, reliable computing experience. Supporting this powerful CPU is 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, which allows for seamless multitasking across demanding applications, virtual machines, or creative software. Combined with a 1 TB PCIe SSD, you get extremely fast boot times, instant access to files, and ample storage for documents, media projects, and applications. This combination of high-speed memory and storage ensures that your desktop can handle both intensive workloads and everyday computing tasks effortlessly. Graphics are handled by Intel UHD Graphics 770, which provides smooth visuals for general use, office productivity, streaming, and light content creation. While this is not a dedicated gaming GPU, it is more than capable of handling multimedia tasks, video playback, and graphics-related productivity software, making it ideal for home offices, hybrid work environments, or educational setups. The HP Desktop also excels in connectivity and networking. It features Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, providing fast and stable wireless connections, whether you're streaming, video conferencing, or connecting peripherals. The variety of ports ensures versatility. The front panel includes 4 USB Type-A ports and a headphone/microphone combo, while the rear panel provides HDMI, VGA, RJ45, additional USB ports, and audio connectors, giving you flexibility for multiple monitors, printers, external drives, or other peripherals. HP has also included a wired keyboard and mouse, designed for comfort and durability. These accessories not only provide a responsive and reliable typing and navigation experience, but also complement the tower's sleek and modern design. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed, offering a user-friendly interface, productivity enhancements, and compatibility with the latest software and applications, ensuring that you can start working or gaming right away. In addition to its internal components, the tower's design and build quality are thoughtful. It's crafted to be both durable and visually appealing, with a layout that keeps your workspace organized. Whether you're placing it at home or in an office environment, it blends functionality with style, making your setup look professional while delivering exceptional performance. Overall, the HP Desktop Tower PC with Intel Core i5-13500, 32 GB RAM, and 1 TB PCIe SSD is an excellent all-around desktop solution for anyone looking for speed, multitasking capability, and modern connectivity. From running demanding office software and creative applications to managing multiple monitors and streaming high-definition content, this desktop is built to deliver reliable and efficient performance. Its combination of powerful hardware, high-speed storage, versatile connectivity, and user-friendly design makes it a top-tier choice for home users, business professionals, and students who want a desktop that can handle anything thrown at it with ease and reliability.